So I just had a quick notification, didn't I, to say that that other one had downloaded. So let's show you what happens when you're ready to download something. You're going to get this email. Your Powtoon Meet the Employee has been successfully published and is ready to be shared with the world. So you can go here and share it by clicking this link. That takes you to that original link, but now it's available to share to Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn, and you can do it that way. But the second link here, download an MP4 directly to your computer. So here, we're going to click on this link, and this is the download, right? This is now a file you can put in wherever you want to. You can add it to your YouTube, or you can just put it straight in on Facebook. Whatever you want to do, you've now got the file on your computer, and you can do whatever you want. I'm not sure exactly how long that took to come. I can't really, no way of knowing. 5-10 minutes, possibly 10 minutes. So it emails the admin of the account and says your Powtoon is available for download, and you can just download it straight to your computer.